Alright, so this is just a simple video of how to play piano. The basics are pretty simple. You got white keys and you got black keys or sharps. Basically, there are 7 letters that you need to know. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 7 letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The low note's an A. That's what you need to know. High note is a C. C, A. C, A. So you can remember that. That's one thing. Now if you put yourself right into the center, you got 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 3 sets of black keys. And the first set with 2 sets of black keys, that's letter C. That's middle C. And 6 notes above that is A440, which is A. That's what most tuners tune to, which is A. Concert tunist. When they tune, you tune to A. So that's basically all you need to know. So if you know that C, middle C is like 2 pairs of flats, 2 pairs of sharps, and 3 pairs, the 2 pairs of sharps. Below the 2 pairs of sharps, a C, B, A. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's what you need to know. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's how you can figure out. Figure out where the 2 sets of black keys are from the first set of of sharps. Drop 1 note, that's letter C, and that's how you figure out where C's at. Then you can figure out where the other notes are. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now if you're in sharp, it'd be A sharp, B, C, C sharp, B, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, A sharp, and then back to A.
How big? 11% on every item for your biggest projects. With 11%, make it warmer.
For some reason I'm drawing a blank on how many keys are, and I've been playing for years and I can't remember how many keys are, but for some reason all I can think of is like 88 keys, but I'm not even sure if there's 88 keys, because I think with the Bossendorf there's like 2 to 3 extra keys on the bottom. I think it's a Bossendorf. It might not even be a Bossendorf. It might be something else, I'm not even sure. But anyways, usually keys have 88 sets of keys. So that's all you need to know. End of lesson 1.